In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Layout tab up top, and then in here, you want to create a text box. So I'm going to select this text tool here, and I'm going to add a text box over here, and I'm going to draw it like this, because that's exactly how I want my page numbers to be. Now, when you do this, it's going to start blinking, leave it empty, go to Text up top, go to Insert, hover over it, hover over fields and click on page number. This will automatically add in your page number over here. And what's great about this is if I make a few pages over here just to actually show you how to do this, oops, did manually, never mind, then you want to go to the first one over here. You simply want to copy it by hovering over here on your layers panel, click on it, press Ctrl C, go down here, click on your second page, press Ctrl V, it's gonna automatically add in, and then you can do this on every single page. Click on the page, press Ctrl V, it's going to add in the page number automatically and adjust it according to, of course, the page that's currently at. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.